Okay guys, I'm super excited to bring you this news. YouTube is now offering my channel the ability to change, sorry not on this video, to change the audio track so it's actually dubbed in different languages. These are the ones they're offering right now: German, Spanish, Italian, French, and Portuguese. They're going to be rolling out some other ones. You can see that we have some experimental ones here. This is in its infancy and it's not even applied to all of my videos yet. This is only on my newest video that I released that I have this option to change the audio track. I'll let you hear it in a second. I picked one from 2 weeks ago. This video in that option's not there, so it's not going to be on all of my videos just yet. Just keep an eye on it. And I'll let this play for a second. I might have a little bit of echo with this screen recorder, but we'll try it. Let's change the language to Spanish first. Let's listen. Let me mute this mic. Oops. Don't want that. It's going to echo. I'm sorry. It's going to sound funny.
¿Qué nos dice?
Distribuidor.
Muy bien, está bien hasta el distribuidor. Mi bobina está aquí.
Sorry for the echo. And then Spanish. Let's go French. I got some people in Senegal, Africa that are taking my training. It's a training program my friend Bo Columbine runs. They speak French there. This is going to be huge for them.
J'ai le contrôle. Il y a des pulsations. L'ordinateur est bon. Tout va bien. Nous avons terminé.
Oh, that's so awesome. And then for the other languages that aren't there, of course, we have some closed captioning. Let me mute this so we don't have that audio. But our closed captioning, what we have is you select auto-generated English. Then from there, you'll have the ability to auto-translate in whatever language you speak. So I have, let's say, I have a lot of guys in the Arabic speaking world too that are looking for help, and even though we don't have the dubbing yet in Arabic, you can see that the closed captions are at least now in Arabic. That's phenomenal. And then of course my Spanish speaking community, I've just done a Spanish version of my book and we're trying to help you guys out too. You guys not only have the ability to dub it in Spanish, but then we also have Spanish closed captions. So cool stuff being rolled out for YouTube for us. And again, they're saying this is not being released to everyone just yet. It is available to me and it only applies to my first video. There'll be more coming over the next few days. Of course, there's some accents, mispronunciations, dialects, background noise that can affect this dubbing. But man, what a huge advantage it's going to be for those of you that don't speak English. Share the word here, guys. This is awesome. Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you guys a Merry Christmas.